Good afternoon, my friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. There is a huge update on the $1,400 fourth stimulus checks. As inflation continues to affect millions of Americans, top lawmakers are teaming together to propose brand new legislation. A new crisis relief package may finally include fourth stimulus payments for all Americans. Many lawmakers are also showing support for this proposal. My dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all the details. And to say thank you for watching every single day, I'm giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Friends, please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways.
The rule includes 5 pieces of landmark legislation, which the gentleman, Mr. Morelli, has very clearly explained. I thank him and Mr. McGovern again for their skilled leadership in assembling this rule and steering this crucial legislation to the floor. First this week, we'll have our version of NDAA, which you explained. It supports our nation's servicemen and women. It strengthens our national security and promotes national leadership on the global arena. Our majority is delivering new pay raises for heroic men and women in uniform while securing more investments in the next generation of defense technology to keep us strong and qualitatively superior. We are strengthening the security of DoD supply chains while advancing new and fundamental research at HBCUs and MSIs. And we are further supporting the Ukrainian people in their fight for democracy with $1 billion additional in security assistance. Let us salute the Chair, Adam Smith, and the Armed Services Committee for their persistent patriotic.
It comes as no surprise that some residents are struggling to pay for common necessities due to the rise of inflation that continues to increase across the country. Though the price of gas has gone down in some states, the cost of housing, energy, and food still remain higher than average. Citizens of several U.S. states across America can expect to receive a stimulus check in the near future to offset the cost of recent inflation prices. According to Newsweek, the state of Delaware will continue sending out a $300 relief rebate to its residents. This is a one-time direct payment to help people face the higher prices at the fuel pump. The state, which has already sent out its first round of checks, said there may be as many as 150,000 eligible residents still waiting for their money. Delaware Finance Secretary Rick Geisenberger told reporters this month, "We estimate that the maximum amount left might be 150,000. We are working with numerous other state agencies to identify other people in the state." The Department of Finance began sending out checks in the first batch to those who already filed their 2020 Delaware resident personal income taxes by the due date. Rebates will continue to be sent out to residents who filed their 2021 tax returns in the coming months. The department is also developing how to identify qualifying adult residents who did not file a 2020 Delaware tax return and may have been exempt due to their income level, pension, Social Security, or 1099 income. The state of Georgia has sent out either a $250 or $500 rebate check to those who filed their taxes in 2020 and 2021, and it's to help offset inflation. Those who filed their taxes as an individual versus jointly will receive a smaller amount. For those who filed their returns by April 18th, you can expect to see your payment reflected in your account early this month if you have not already received it. Governor Brian Kemp is also considering proposals for another round of rebates for Georgia state taxpayers. The governor is also looking to include a homeowner property tax rebate. Both of these rebates would be funded by the large budget surplus, the same surplus being used to fund the gas tax suspension. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Please let me know if you have received a stimulus check from your state. Friends, the keyword for this video is Perth, Australia. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Perth, Australia, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, please make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Initial filings for unemployment insurance fell to their lowest level since late June, a sign that the labor market is resilient amid a slowing economy. The Labor Department reported today that claims totaled a seasonally adjusted 232,000 for the week ended August 27th. That is a decline of 5,000 from the previous period and the lowest since June 25th. Continuing claims increased to 1.44 million. Amid worries that the United States is headed towards a recession, the jobs market has provided a bulwark, indicating that hiring demands is strong and consumer spending has held up despite soaring inflation. Earlier this week, the Bureau of Labor Statistics reported that job openings rose past 11.2 million. Federal Reserve officials have been trying to bridge the job gaps and slow down inflation through a series of aggressive interest rate increases. Despite those moves, inflation remains near its highest level in more than 40 years. Steve Hank, a professor of applied economics at Johns Hopkins University, said this week that he believes that the United States is heading for a whopper of a recession next year. During an interview with CNBC News, Hank argued that a major economic downturn had been made inevitable due to the U.S. money supply soaring and stagnating. Hank stated on that throughout the world history, there have never been sustained inflation, which is inflation above 4% for more than 2 years, that had not been caused by excessive growth in the supply of money. There is a broad consensus among many of the world's top economists and market watchers that a recession is on the horizon, with many believing that inflation will be difficult to tame and force the Fed to take drastic action. So my friends, do you think that the U.S. is heading towards a recession? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my amazing and magnificent friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this afternoon. Thank you, my dear friends, for joining me here every single day. I greatly appreciate all of you for watching my videos. I'll be announcing a winner for today's Walmart gift card giveaway in a video later today. So please listen for the keywords and do stay tuned for that video. Thank you, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed afternoon.